Good afternoon, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I've got a property coming up here later on this weekend at 17933 Beardsley Street here in Castro Valley in the lower hills. Very popular neighborhood. The key thing here, or the thing to note, is it backs up to Proctor Elementary School, which seems to be a really big draw for a lot of purchasers. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home built in 1952, and it's 1,060 square feet in living space, and then downstairs there's an additional bonus room, partially finished, halfway finished, or half finished sub area, which is not permitted, but I'm sure you can probably use it for storage or for living space improvement if you want to continue adding on to the house. The other big thing here to note is it has a detached 2-car garage at the bottom of the driveway here. So you have all this additional parking, not just out here on the street, but on the driveway, and then obviously parking in the garage. But it's an absolutely very well taken care of home. Pride of ownership is definitely here. Even through the rains recently in the last winter, they actually put in a French drain along the side of the house here and along the front to alleviate all the excess rains that occurred last winter. But this is the cleanout for the French drain, and I believe it runs around the front here and down to the side. There's another access point here. We have reports: termite, roof, property inspection. It's near perfect. In fact, I don't think you're going to find too much wrong with a house like this. It's been well taken care of, but it's been in the family for many years, and now it's time for them to sell and basically move on. But it's an incredible layout. It'll be open Saturday, Sunday, 1 to 4, first open house, and I'm sure it'll probably be a hit. But let me take you inside, show you the inside of this house. It's truly a stunner. The flooring has been refinished recently. It's been painted, I think a little bit over a year ago. Has recessed lighting, LED lights, dual pane windows. Here's the view out front. The darling neighborhood here has a wood burning stove. From what the seller told me, is basically this fireplace would be enough to heat the house in the wintertime. And for heat, has a wall furnace. Kitchen's been remodeled. New cabinets, quartz counters. Here's the look from the kitchen to the living room. Gorgeous cabinets. Auto closers. For a small kitchen, I mean, there's very good storage possibilities here, or potential. Stainless steel appliances, brand new. It's a Whirlpool. And a Whirlpool refrigerator that's new, or newer. And I guess the freezer's down here with an ice maker. An electric stove. And then also a built-in microwave. But they're all matching appliances. They're all Whirlpool. And again, recessed lighting. It's very appealing to the eye. Nice neutral colors here. In this room here, we have a laundry room. It's set up so it looks like you've got the outlet for an electric dryer here. So good for a full size or... And over here we have the laundry room. So good for full size units. Could possibly go stackable here. And then have all this additional room here for storage or cabinets. There's the views from the outside. And then through here, got bedroom 1, so you have panel doors. It's wood flooring all the way through, no carpeting. Just a very clean home. Updated switches. There's the closet here with paneled closet doors. So that's bedroom 1. Coat closet here. And then this will be bedroom 2, which is the primary room. It's probably the largest of the 3. Nice. Neutral. Just very clean. And then this closet here has built-in shelving. Give you an idea what the floors look like. Super clean house. And then bedroom 3, which is set up as an office. This one has the casement or the crank out windows. And then also views off the back. So 3 bedrooms, and then the bathroom here, which has been remodeled. Again, views out the windows. Pedestal sink. New tub with a shower enclosure. I believe it's the marble lights, so it's really easy to clean and maintain. Nice bright shower fixtures. Updated toilet. Just overall, just very sharp. And then I'll take you out back. This door here. So nice deck. You can sit out here, enjoy the nice cool breezes. You have views way over here. I don't know if you can see it in this video, but you can definitely see the west side of Castro Valley, the hills. And then over this way, all the way out to the San Mateo Bridge. So the homeowner's done a lot of work here in the past. Easy care backyard, very low maintenance. Stamped concrete surface. Really nice space in between the buildings, between the house and the garage. See, this door's unlocked here. And then in the garage, gotta find a light switch here, but let's see what I can do here for light. There we go. 2-car garage. It's finished off. Drywall. Roll-up garage door. The garage door opener. Ventilation. Has an electrical hookup here, but I don't think it's completed. There used to be a workshop here, but I believe the seller disconnected everything. But it can always be put back together. A very clean garage, and then you also have access to the lower side of the backyard area. So we'll go this way. So there's an upper portion and a lower portion of the backyard. This portion here will bring you down even further, so it's all terraced. Drainage pipe. There's a water bib out here in case you want to water the plants. There's fruit trees out here. Grapevines, but I believe they're coming from the neighbor's yard. Here we go. So, nice size yard. Apple tree here. Citrus, orange tree. Another apple tree here. So you've got all this to work on or to figure out what to do with, but all the way down to here, and to this fence line, this backs up to Proctor Elementary, to the schoolyard. So this will give you a good idea of the amount of room you have here. And the lot size is 7,260 square feet. So probably larger than average for what you'll find here in Castro Valley. So a lot of space here. Great potential for an ADU. I mean, whether you want to convert the garage to an ADU or possibly just build a structure in the back here. There's a lot of possibilities, but always check with the county to see what they would allow. Let me see if I can open up this door. So downstairs is the bonus room. So please keep in mind, this is not part of the overall square footage or declared square footage of the house for the county records, but partially finished, but good for a workshop or for an eventual living space. Walls have been finished. Concrete base. Still needs drywall in the ceiling. Nice thing is you have a window here for light, and then you also have a sub panel here. closet. But great potential for something additional that you can use this area for. There's the sub area. Retained water heater. Take over here. It'll give you an idea of what it looks like under the house. So that's this is the whole presentation of this property. It'll be a hit this weekend for this location with many buyers. We already sold one in the neighborhood and did really well, so it seems to be a really good draw here in the neighborhood. But overall, let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to make an appointment. My name's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty. Feel free to give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686, and thank you for viewing today.